Hello, today we are going to do the last test paper from the year 2020, which is test paper D. So number 1, circle the correct time signature for each of these bars. So semiquaver and semiquaver and a quaver makes one crochet. So one count here, another count here, 2, 4. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4. Add the one missing bar line to each of these 5 melodies. So 4, 4, we need 4 crochet beads in a bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, bar line here. 2, 4, 1, 2, here. 3, 4, 3 counts. 1, 2.5, 3, here. Now 4, 4, this is 1, this is another 1, 1, 1. So here, 2, 4. 1, 2, bar line. Now take one box to answer its questions. How many crochets are there in a dotted minim? Dotted minim is 3 counts, crochet is 1 count, so the answer is 3. How many quavers are there in a crochet? 2, because crochet is 1 and quaver is half. Tick one box to show which bar is grouped correctly. 1, 2 and 3 separately. 4, this is actually correct. 1, 2, this is wrong because it's supposed to be like this one. And then this one, 2 and 3, you're not supposed to combine 2 and 3 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this is 2 and 3, it's better to just separate them, so this one will be correct. Tick or cross each box to show whether the rest are correct or incorrect. This is 1 quarter and half is not enough to make 2, so this is wrong. You need a quaver rest for this one. 1 crochet, correct. A whole bar empty, you need a semi-brief rest. Although this is 2 counts, don't put minim rest here, semi-brief rest is correct. Take one box which shows the 4 notes written in order from the shortest to the longest. 1 quarter, this is 2 count, this is half, this is already not in the order, this is 4, right? So this is wrong. 1 quarter, half, 2, 4, this will be correct. This is also wrong, because 1 quarter and then jump to 4 counts, this will be wrong. Now pitch. Tick one box to show the correct name of each note. This is C sharp, remember to check the key signature. Bass clef G, treble clef D, bass clef B flat, bass clef F sharp, treble clef B, bass clef D, this one. Tick the higher note of each of the pairs of notes. C sharp and C natural, C sharp is higher. E flat and E natural will be higher. F and F sharp will be higher. B natural, B flat, B natural will be higher. So when you have a sharp, definitely sharp will be higher. But when you have a flat and a natural, definitely flat is lower, so natural will be higher. Next page. Take the correct clef needed to match each of these named notes. So this will be C sharp in the treble clef. It will be F in the treble clef as well. A in the bass clef and E in the treble clef. Keys and scales. Take one box to show the correctly written key signature of D major. D major we have F sharp and C sharp. This is not in the order, so it's wrong. And this one is A sharp. This is B flat. It doesn't belong to D major. Now this will be correct. F sharp comes first and then C sharp comes later. Tick one box to show the correctly written key signature of G major. G major have F sharp, which is this one. This is also F sharp, but wrong place. And this is D sharp, wrong. This is B flat, also wrong. Tick 3 boxes to show which note needs an accidental to create a melody in the key of D major. D major we have F sharp and C sharp. So we look for the note of F sharp here, C, F. Okay. Now tick two boxes to show the two pairs of notes in this scale which are semitone apart. This is C major, it's very easy. Number 3 to 4, ascending, right? So we count from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 2 is definitely a semitone. And last 2 note, semitone. And again, if you forgot which number is the semitone, then we count one by one. C to D is a tone, D to E is a tone, this is a semitone, and so on. Moving on. Circle true or false for each statement. There is one flat in the key signature of G major. This is wrong because G major has F sharp, one sharp. There is an F sharp in the key signature of C major, also wrong. C major have no sharp, no flat. And now this D note is the 5th degree of the scales of G major is correct. G is note number 1, so D will be note number 5. This is the 1st degree of the scale of C major, and yes, C will be the first note, 1st degree, true. Tick one box to show the correctly written scales of G major ascending. Ascending means going up, so we start from the G, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. This is actually correct already. G, A sharp, definitely wrong, and this is B, it's not G. Circle true or false. This is the scale of D major descending with key signature. So key signature is written here, F sharp, C sharp, and this is D major, D, C, B, A, G, F sharp, E, D backwards, right? D, C sharp actually. So this is true. It's a D major descending going down and with key signature, not accidentals. Cross the two incorrect notes in the following scales. F major descending. So F, E, D, C, B. You need B flat. So this one mistake here. A, G, G will be wrong. Last note must be F as well. This is F major. Now interval. For each example, write one note to form the name interval. Your note should be higher than the given note. And the key is D major. D, E, F, G. 4th, right? Octave, it will be the same note, D to D. 6. D, E, F, G, A, B. B will be the note. Second, just the next note, D, E. D, E, F, G, A. 5th. Tick one box to show the correct number of each interval. The key is G major. G to F sharp, this is 7. G to E, this will be 6. So, if you need to count, then count from the bottom. G, A, B, C, D, E. G, A, B, C, D, E. Then it will be 6 like this. G to B is 3rd. G to A is 2nd. G to D is 5th. Tonic triad. Circle true or false for each statement. This is the tonic triad of C major. It's wrong because this is C, E, A. The correct one is C, E, G. So this is false. This is the tonic triad of D major. Also wrong because this is G, B, D. The correct one is D, F sharp, A. This is the tonic triad of F major. Yes, F major will start from F and then A and C. This is true. Next page. Add one missing note to complete each triad with the tonic as the lowest note. Use accidental if necessary. So F major, 1st note and 3rd notes given, 5th note, F, A, C. C major, E is missing. D major, you need to begin on D. Okay, and there's no accidental that you need to put because here you already have C major, no sharp, no flat. F major have B flat, but there's no B note, so it doesn't matter. Circle the correct key for each of the tonic triad. G, B, D, G major. F, A, C, F major. We will look at the most bottom one. D, F sharp, A, D major. C, E, G, C major. Terms and signs. Let's tick the box. Diminuendo means getting softer, right? So gradually getting quieter. PP very soft, so it's very quiet here. Allegro means lively and quick. This is staccato. Staccato, detached. Be careful, it's tricky here, it's not smoothly. rallentando is gradually getting slower, the first one. Now look at this melody and then answer the questions. The melody gets gradually louder near the beginning. It's wrong. The beginning is soft piano and dolce is sweet. So this is false. Now, take the bar number that contains all the notes of the tonic triad of D major, tonic triad of D major, D, F sharp, A. Let's see. Bar 3, we have D, F sharp here, A here. Let's check. Bar 5, only D. Bar 6, only A and F sharp. Bar 7, only C sharp. So only bar 3 is the answer. Complete the following 3 sentences by ticking one box for each. The shortest note in the melody is definitely not a dotted crochet, right? It's 1.5 count. Semiquaver is not available here. There's no semiquaver here. And then quaver, there's quaver here, minim. So the answer is quaver, the shortest one. Bar 2 has the same pitch as bar 2 notes D, D. Bar 5. So bar 5 is the answer. Last one. The letter name of the lowest note in the melody is, so let's look for the lower one. Is it C sharp? This one is C sharp. This one is also C sharp. So most probably is F sharp. It's higher. E is also higher. A is even higher. So this is the answer, which is this one here. A C sharp. Okay, so we have come to the end of the test paper. We finished everything. So good luck for your exam, and I will see you in the grade 2 theory book.